Insects and small animals. Ant.
Ant. Ant.
Have you ever watched a group of ants at work? They're fascinating. Ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug. The ladybug's shell is red with black polka dots. Butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Did you know that the butterfly starts its life as a caterpillar? Fly.
Fly.
Many flies are buzzing, then landing on the mud.
Ant.
Ant.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Fly.
Fly.
Tell.
Hi.
Want.
Tell. Hi. Want. 8.
Call.
Good.
Actions.
Put.
Put. Put.
The father is putting his baby into a crib.
Grab.
Grab. Grab. The baby grabs a wooden block from his brother.
Give.
Give. Give.
The little boy gives the flower to his mom.
Hold.
Hold. Hold.
Hold it tight. Do not let go.
Put.
Put. Grab.
Grab. Give.
Give.
Hold.
Hold.
Er. Gear. Gear. Or. Or. Stir. Stir. Words end with R. Fair. Star. Or.
Ear. Car. Gear.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic!
Give.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Butterfly.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Ant.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Awesome!
Put.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That's right.
Hold.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Great job!
Grab.
Which one is?
Call.
You did it!
Can you pick out?
Tell.
Great job!
Hooray! You have finished the lesson! Congratulations, you've earned a sticker! Play lessons to earn more stickers.